Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Bright to escape the minimum payment trap. Making only minimum payments on your credit cards can keep you in debt for years. Bright helps you to escape that trap with smarter payment strategies. Once you link your credit cards and bank account, Bright will calculate exactly how much extra that you can safely pay beyond the minimum without of course hurting your budget. And it then automatically applies those extra funds towards the most strategic balances, either the highest interest cards, that's the avalanche method, or the smallest balance, that's the snowball method, depending of course on your preferences. This accelerates your debt payoff, reduces interest, and helps you to make real progress each month, not just to tread water. You'll still be protected. Bright always makes your minimums on time, but focuses shifts to crushing your principal. With Bright, every dollar works harder, and you finally break free from the cycle of endless minimums. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.